Case study, increasing opt-ins by 50%. Ever wonder what happens to the 95% of people who see your offer without buying anything? You can, and you should. What if, instead of losing a potential customer, you could add them to your email list and build a relationship with them? Many of these visitors leave without ever coming back. Let's talk about Matt. He offers a physical copy of his book for free. If the new customer pays for shipping and subscribes to a $1 trial of a $47 monthly continuity program. When Matt set up his squeeze page, he was in a hurry. He recorded a short video of himself talking about the book offer, but he omitted using an ecover. The conversion was at 26% and it wasn't paying for itself. In fact, for each new subscriber, he was paying about $2 out of his own pocket. The continuity program is a good one and he was making a profit overall, but he really wanted to get the initial offer to pay for itself so that he could ramp up his advertising. He tried a few things that increased conversion by a percentage point or two. But then he finally added an ecover right above the opt-in form. Conversions increased. Then he went a step further and recorded a new video in which he holds a copy of his book, and replaced the old video. Conversions have now increased by 50%. Never underestimate the importance of pictures in general and a covers, in particular. Whatever it is that you're offering, a book, a report, software, etc., display a picture of it, for prospects to salivate over. Or better yet, hold it in your hand to make it even more real and more desirable for the prospect. Start using lead magnets. Are you ready to start using lead magnets to grow your email list? If you want to discover the 5 lightbulb moments that made my mentor earn so far $5,378,908 commissions from his laptop. And for me, some very attractive high tickets commissions lately. And how you can copy the exact method today. Let me know in the comments.